Here's my top 4 tips to have a healthy night's sleep. Have a handful of pistachios right before bed. They are packed full of magnesium and have melatonin properties which aid sleep. To allow yourself to fall asleep better, do the Hook's energy hookup technique. To do this, put your right hand in front of you and your left hand over the top, and then roll your hands under and put your left foot over your right foot. Lying down in bed with your eyes closed and tuning in, this connects all the meridians and allows you to nod off. Try my Switch Off and Sleep Balancing Oil. It has sleep promoting properties with its essential oils and crystals that are in the bottle. And my final one, while lying in bed, if you're finding that your thoughts are rushing around and you can't sleep, put one hand over your emotional stress release points on your forehead, put the other hand in the I love you symbol sign and over your heart, and just laying back, connecting and doing some deep breaths. Breathe in and do a longer exhale to release the energy out of the body. This should make your energy tone down. You may even feel tingles go through your system, and I guarantee you'll fall asleep.